kod riwo lwedo kanyakla mar konyo tieko midhiero ma jotij kaunti no kadhe kaluwore gi ng'eto mitimo kuom osachgi. Kaluwore gi jadolo Bishop Norman Kingo manyo tayo nyasi modiochieng' ma alam mar kaunti no, nitie dwaro mar keto okenge manyalo konyo tieko mibadhi mowacho ni en achiel kuom gigo mathiro ahinya dongruok e kaunti mano Machakos. Tend kaunti no medo jiwo ni gibiro tiyo kanyachiel gi jotend din mar medo chwalo chenro makare ne jodak e kaunti no.
Tax. Lord, we are passionate that, Lord, they may give the girls who apply to get just this.
We are going to provide according to your gracious power. And therefore, mighty God, I speak, Lord, prosperity.
I don't have anything to say. It is just I wanted you to come and pray for our government, the county government of Machakos, for God to stand with the government. Because we know as a county, without God, we cannot make it. Yes, I am a mother of many. I have more than 6,500 workers who for sure are going through a lot at this particular moment because of the deductions that are going through their salaries. I've tried the best that I can as a governor of Machakos to make sure that I promote the ones that I can promote to cushion them. As a county, we're also looking on ways of improving our collections so that at least when they work, they can be able to get their DSS. When they get their DSS, they can also cushion their salaries. Sisi ni kutuombea Mwenyezi Mungu atufungulie milango, kwa sababu kutoka nikuje hapa kama gavana wa Machakos, watu wangu hawajawahi kukosa mshahara kila mwezi. Ni kweli mshahara tunapata sasa, lakini mshahara